Let's create an indicator template on TradingView. Now in front of us, we have a blank, clean chart. We go to indicators and we add a moving average, a simple moving average, and a VWAP. So here's a chart with these 3 technical indicators. Let's change the settings as we want. EMA 9, I don't like the color. I'm gonna use green. SMA 9, I want to change it to 30 and change the color to reddish. And VWAP, I don't want these other bands, and I want it to show only under day. So when I go to hourly, you can see the moving averages and the VWAP. When we go to daily, we can only see these 2 moving averages. Okay, now let's save this indicator template. We go to the indicator template icon, we click and we click on Save Indicator Template. Let's call it TradingTech 1. If we click on Remember Symbol, whenever we load it, it will load with Apple. And Remember Interval, it will load on the daily. And now we save.